In front of me is Motorola Moto G77, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. All you need to do is hold your screen and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, tap on one of those themes and wait. Then hit save and wait again. As you can see, after a few seconds, my theme has changed. If you want to, you can always go into settings as well. Scroll a tiny bit to choose Personalize and tap on themes at the top right corner. Then tap on one of those to apply the best one, or use this plus at the top right corner to adjust your own. Click on one of your wallpapers, select font style, color theme, icon shape, and name it at the top. Then hit save at the bottom and wait. Your new theme will be automatically applied. If you want to go back to default one, click on default here. To edit or get rid of one of your custom ones, operate two options at the top right corner of it. This pen to edit whatever you wish, then hit save. Or this bean to get rid of it, then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!